So we have 3 18-hole golf courses, and now we have a 9-hole par 3 course. So this was kind of filling a niche for beginning golfers, intermediate golfers, and advanced golfers. So the only grasses that we have are Bentgrass and Bermuda grass. And we do that to help with expense management. Because the Bermuda grass is very drought tolerant in the summertime, water costs are a huge thing for us. And inputs with fertilizer is very minimal on the species Bermuda grass that we have. It does go dormant in the wintertime, so it will brown out. We do not overseed because of the overseeding cost. The tee to green is kind of the gold standard for bent grasses used in this area because of its disease resistance, its drought tolerance, its cold tolerance in the wintertime. At multiple other properties, I've used tee to green products from Pure Select to Pure Distinction. So I'm very familiar with the growing habits and the disease resistance and kind of how the grasses perform. The course I manage upriver, we started interseeding with Pure Distinction to do a conversion from POA greens to Bentgrass greens. Because of how this grass performs, I'm using it at another property. We have quite the difference of temperatures where it could get up to 115 degrees in the summertime with high humidity. So it took the summer very, very good. It's the premium product that they have, that we wanted to have the best greens for a par 3 course that we could potentially have. So because of the business plan, we have to keep things super simple and really watch our expenses. We only have 3 mowing heights. We have a greens height, a tee and collar, and a rough height. So mowing heights of cut, we keep it super simple. We only have to mow the rough areas once a week, and tees and collars get hit twice a week, and greens get mowed every day during the growing season. It reduces our overall capital expenditure for new equipment. It reduces our manpower. It reduces a lot of inputs for fuel and repair and maintenance. My staff is very minimal. Because we only have 3 heights of cut and we only sit on 17 acres, I have 1 full-time employee and a part-time employee. I supplement and do all the spraying. My other crew, they do the daily cup cutting and all the mowing and other maintenance. For superintendents and a lot of golf course employees, we get instant gratification. I mean, we get to see people having fun from something we produce, and what better office is there than this?